Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today we're making Cincinnati Chili. So I'm gonna start and prepare this meat, and this meat is ground turkey, and I'm gonna season the meat. And you're not supposed to fry the meat, you're supposed to boil the meat. And I'm gonna fry the meat. And I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is open this pack, and like I said, get it in the pan in the oil and get this all cooked up. I heard the Pacific and the Asian Pacific is still active, and as is the Pacific in Central America. So they're looking for landfall here soon with Tropical Storm Christina, which is affecting El Salvador, Guatemala. It's gonna go through Mexico and probably affect Belize as well. You know, all those areas like Nicaragua, like Honduras. It's going to the Gulf and possibly gonna affect the border towns. And obviously it moves east, and as it moves east, you know, it begins to affect those areas along the coast and obviously Florida. And then we'll add the seasonings to this right now with parsley flake. So you can add or not add to your meat, because you're not even supposed to really touch it. You're just supposed to put it in water. So I'm gonna add a bit of nutmeg, and I like to pour it out before I add it in. And I'm just gonna add a touch of nutmeg, parsley, nutmeg, harissa. This has a little bit of mint in it, and along with, like, it says paprika, caraway, red chili pepper, cayenne, coriander, cumin, garlic, peppermint, some salt. I'm gonna add za'atar. And this one obviously has sumac and sesame seeds. Obviously crushed red pepper. Now this is like a Greek, it's like a Greek recipe, you know? So I have this roasted garlic and herb which has dill in it. So I think that's a really good one. Oregano, staple. Oregano goes good with anything tomato based. Now we're gonna add ground peppercorn. This is black and white peppercorn. White pepper is an Asian staple. So this is Mediterranean. This is really good. Black and white pepper. And then I have garam masala, which I'm gonna add a pinch of this. This garam masala has spices in it, like cardamom. I'll read it to you. It has cumin seed, black pepper, cinnamon, clove, brown cardamom, and green cardamom. It gives it a very, very exotic, authentic type flavor. If you're into Middle Eastern food. And like I said, I'm gonna give it a mix and try browning it a bit before I add the water. So this looks like it could use a bigger pan. So I think I'm gonna switch pans. So I went and grabbed a pot, and I'm just trying to make sure this is all nice and minced. And literally, so I have the tomato sauce open, and I'm gonna pour in like half a can. I'll give this a good stir. And let all the flavors come together. So now that this is cooked, I'm gonna add water and the seasoning packet. And I'm just gonna put the packet in with that and give it a good mix. So I never used an entire packet before of anything in my life. So this is really fun. And this is starting to look like chili. So this is about ready, and I'm gonna take it off the heat and get the spaghetti cooked up, and beans and all that fixins, the onions, and like I said, this is ready. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. My Sunday Frown. Bye bye.